This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is August 7th, 2025. I'm currently long in Bitcoin in two positions, one off the daily chart, the other off the 60-minute chart. I'll go over what I saw to set these up first here on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, you can see highlighted in this blue here, this area here, make a mess of that. This area here that's highlighted in blue, this is a fair value gap that was created here on the daily. And this here is a Fibonacci retracement tool. Right here, I'll remove this so we can get a closer look at the price action that created this fair value gap. Also, these lines that you see, these blue lines, these are the monthly divider, or these are monthly divider lines. So this line here, this is July, and this line here, this is August. You can see the month levels down here. So I separate my daily candle by the month, and as you can see in this area here, there's a gap in price here. So there's a gap in between these candles here, and there's a gap between these candles here. So creating a fair value gap here on the daily chart. We can see price trades above that area, and then here we can see price is delivered to the sell side back into this fair value gap. Then I'll pull the Fibonacci retracement tool back up, and then you can get an idea of what I was looking for. So here, wanting price action to at least get back to equilibrium, which is in this situation where I would want to take an entry. If we zoom in, this purple line that you see here, this is the opening price at the beginning of the month here, which is the open of this candle here. And then this orange line here, this is the swing low here. So with this candle here closing below this swing low, this gives me a long bias for this coming month. So with this long bias, I'm looking to go long. Ideally, I wait for price to just get past equilibrium into this area of discount, and then put a stop below the swing low here for this fair value gap. This would have created quite a distance between the fair value gap, or at least the distance between the stop loss and my entry. Target is I use a 200% of the range, so I'm using the bodies here and getting this Fibonacci retracement range. I will double this range and add it onto the position for take profit. So this would be 200% of the range, with this part of the range being 100%, and then this part of the range being the other 100% for 200% for take profit. But I set my stop. Actually, I take that back. I took a trade and then took it off. My original stop was back here behind this swing low. Then I took the trade off. Then this was yesterday, or this was day before yesterday. Then yesterday, I took this position with a stop below this candle here. A couple of reasons. In the ICT 2022 model, ICT talks about how Tuesday is usually where the high or the low for the week is formed. This candle here is actually Tuesday. Also, ICT will talk about how you can use, if you're in a buy situation, how you can use the sell candles as order blocks, and vice versa if you're in a sell situation, using buy candles as order blocks. So I set my stop below here with this entry, and you can see right here the open of this candle here. And then my take profit, or actually my stop loss, you can see is right here at the low of this candle. And then for take profit, you won't be able to see it because it is going to be out of range for all of my charts, including the monthly chart. But I'll pull up the order here, and you can see my take profit here is 131.7835. So this would be a new all-time high if price were to reach into this area. But again, this is 200% of the measured move of the bodies of the Fibonacci retracement range. And then have another position here over here on the 60-minute chart. So these blue lines are daily dividers, so every 24 hours based on New York midnight are these time dividers or delineation lines. And then this was a trade that I took a few days ago. And this was off of this Fibonacci retracement here. So you can see price action is delivered to the buy side here. This is a fair value gap, this light blue area here. So a fair value gap was created here. And then at the open, on the open on Tuesday, price trades down into this fair value gap here. I was able to take an entry here at the rebalance of this fair value gap, but I could have taken it. The more appropriate entry would have been up here, but I was late to this position. It actually worked out in my favor this time. And we can see since then price was delivered to the buy side, some consolidation in this area, more buy side delivery. Consolidation, sell side, buy side, and extreme buy side here. Now we're getting some consolidation. So this trade here, my stop loss is just below the swing low of this candle here, which is the fair value gap swing low here. And then my profit target is this fair value gap that's resting up here. Slide this over. My target is this fair value gap where you see that blue square. I'll zoom in a bit here. So profit target is here. At the rebalance of that fair value gap. So as I mentioned, for the month, having a long bias here today, we have this opening candle here on the 60-minute close below the swing low here on this candle. So this also gives me a long bias for today, and you can see this long bias is currently playing out here. No trade today off of the 5-minute with the higher time frames are moving along here to the buy side. Actually here on the 5-minute was able to here same thing, this here being the swing low right here. And then getting a closure here below the swing low. So this would give me a long bias. And you can see here there was some long, or there was a small long in here, consolidation, small sell side consolidation. I didn't take this position for a few reasons, but primarily this yellow line here is the opening price at 8:30 a.m. New York time. So price is below this, which is good. But in order to take a long, I preferred it, or I need to see price trade below both of these levels. So this level being the 8:30 level, and also this level here, which is the midnight New York open level. So in order to take a long, I need price action to be both. I need to take an entry below both of these. and I would find it pretty interesting if price were to dip below here. Dip below this midnight open price. So for this morning here in the AM session, just sitting on my trades that are short-term or swing positions. So I would call this daily trade a swing position, and I would call this hourly trade more of a short-term position here. This trade is definitely taking longer than I had anticipated. Usually I see the trades on the 60-minute usually wrap up within about 24 hours, but it took 3 days for this trade to set up. So you can see it set up here on Saturday, and then you have Sunday, you have Monday, and then Tuesday. So 4 days with this trade being in play until it actually triggered an entry. And now you can see 1, 2, and now it's on its third day of actually trading it here. But overall today, price here being delivered to the buy side, or at least price showing buy side delivery, or I have a buy side bias on all three time frames currently. There'll be a PM session where my bias for the 5-minute could change in the PM session for a potential short if it appears, but I'm long bias here on the month on the daily, and here on the day I'm long bias here on the 60-minute. So I would anticipate today either further delivery to the buy side or likely consolidation and maybe a little selling, but with the buy side delivery that's been put in, I don't or I'm not anticipating price to return much lower than it already is here, or I don't anticipate price to return down to these levels here. So there's a fair value gap here that I wouldn't anticipate price to get past. There's also a fair value gap here. So these are all fair value gaps that would need to be traded to. But just with the way that everything is set up today to the buy side, at least with the AM this morning and the economic events from this morning, I think we'll likely look at some consolidation here for the rest of the day and potentially some continued buy side. But we'll have to continue, or I'll just keep watching price action and see how it goes from here. But this is on Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy for the New York AM session. We'll see you next time.